bearing house is into industrial automation business. We started as a bearing company. It was started by my grandfather in 1949, and now my son is the fourth generation into the business. Initially, we started as a bearing company, but in 2007, we diversified into industrial automation business. We import and manufacture products like linear guides, ball screws, aluminum profile, actuators, and conveyors. Our business is primarily B2B, and apart from directly selling to the customers, we have a very successful e-commerce website. Before using Odoo, we were using plenty of software. We have a long list for it. We were using Tally for accounting, we were using Excel sheets for inventory analysis, we were using Zoho for quotes and orders, we were using Trello for project management, and we were using Magento for e-commerce. Using so many apps and softwares was a chaotic mess for us. We even tried customized software, but the problem with the customized software is that they get bloated in a year or two. The best thing we liked about Odoo is that there is no learning curve in Odoo. It works as natural business workflow goes. Odoo has been a game changer for our business. The biggest advantage of Odoo is that one can reduce the manpower employed because a lot of repetitive tasks are reduced. As I mentioned earlier, we were using different softwares. Moving all our operations to Odoo has been very cost effective for us. What we love about Odoo is that it is entirely cloud based. You can use it anywhere. All you need is a computer or a phone. We started transitioning to Odoo in 2020, and right now we have over 1,000 products listed on our e-commerce website. Now our e-commerce website integrates seamlessly with other modules of Odoo like sales, inventory, manufacturing. Data entry is minimum in Odoo. If you make a quotation, that's all you need. Converting it to sales order, making invoice, and doing the inventory operations are just a few clicks after that. How do I describe Odoo? I would say it works like Harry Potter's magic.